Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you a very interesting tester from Amazon that can become a universal tool for almost any home or workshop task. Before we begin, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps the video get promoted and motivates me to create more useful reviews. Alright, let's get started. The tester comes in a compact box where everything is neatly organized. You can immediately see that the manufacturer tried to keep things minimalistic while still including everything needed to get started. The device is firmly secured so nothing moves during transportation. The packaging is simple but practical, making it suitable for both home users and as a gift for someone who enjoys electronics. Inside the box, you'll find the tester itself, a removable ZIF socket, cables, and a manual. The device looks tidy and feels fairly solid in the hand. Its housing is made of dense plastic that doesn't flex even with slight pressure. The display is easy to read and the buttons press with a clear tactile response. The biggest advantage is the removable socket, which makes working with different components much more convenient and allows you to swap parts quickly without extra hassle. This tester can measure resistance, capacitance, and inductance, making it a versatile tool for electronics work. It can also identify diodes, transistors, and other components, which makes it suitable for repairing devices or building your own projects. The device is even capable of reading infrared signals from remote controls, adding more flexibility for testing. Everything works quickly. The tester automatically recognizes the component and displays the result on the screen. The main strength of this tester is its versatility. You essentially get one device that can replace several different tools. The removable socket makes the workflow much easier because you simply insert a component and instantly see the result. The detection speed is also impressive and the accuracy is quite good for its price class. This tester on Amazon is inexpensive, yet it offers features typically found only in more expensive models. The plastic housing may not appeal to everyone, as it doesn't feel premium, although it is reasonably sturdy. The display is readable but could be brighter, especially if you work in a well-lit environment. Sometimes the tester needs a bit more time to identify more complex components, which can slightly slow down the process. However, considering the price, these drawbacks are minor and easy to forgive. In short, this is one of the best budget testers you can find on Amazon. It's genuinely useful for everyday tasks, helping you check components, repair various devices, or work on DIY projects. The removable socket is a pleasant bonus that greatly improves usability. I like that the tester works stably, doesn't freeze, and provides clear results even for beginners. If you need a universal helper for electronics, this is definitely a solid choice. Thanks for watching until the end. If you enjoyed this review, leave a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Let me know in the comments which tools or gadgets you want to see next. See you in the next videos.